Welcome to Grace Assembly Klang Worship Team Christmas Party! If you're not here, you're lost. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe here, like here. This is Royalson, orang pulang.
Don't forget to click the notification bell. Ting.
Okay, come. Let me show you all the things about our worship team that is amazing.
First thing amazing, Royal.
Fire. That's the worst thing.
Okay, first we got Mike Wazowski.
First electric guitar.
Then we got Tulang. Then we got hey, where your forehead lah? They open. Hey, open.
I get it for sure.
Okay, come. Then we got her. Nothing to say about her. Huh? What lah?
Continue on.
Okay, then we got Esther. Pakka slides. PowerPoint. Then we got then we got all the okay lah, all these are veterans of the worship team. Come this side. Then we got Wing Sun, the hedgehog. Arisha. Why all the young people don't show their face lah? Okay, then we go inside. Inside the one. Okay, you got mixer. Then we got this whole room to praise God. Empty now lah, but later they eating first. We are Malaysians. Food come first. That's why you see I show like that. It's a video.
Okay, whatever.